Alright, we're back here, and among the many faces here in the arena in San Juan, nahirapan kaming pumili, but we were able to do the job. For our Shakey's face of the game, Althea Barredo gets a free pizza. She's 13 years old from San Francisco del Monte, Quezon City, and look at that smile. Such a cute girl. Althea Barredo is our Shakey's face of the game. Yung pizza.
Yun. Kaya ang ganda ng ngiti ni, ni Althea, kasi meron siyang libreng pizza.
Oo naman. Sino bang hindi mapapangiti? Oh! Inagawa ni Angela si Listana, because Listana was right in front of that serve.
And again, Adamson struggling a bit, with their defense and reception. That's quite uncharacteristic of the Lady Falcons.
And sinabi nga natin, the home stretch is where it counts the most. Ganito yung nangyari ng first set. Dikit ng umpisa, and when it reaches 18, 19, 20 points, UST starts to pull away. Now they're up by 4. Another full reception from Adamson. Tunay up to serve. This floater to Zapanta.
Cortel down the line. Ortiz!
With the left hand. Alam mo, fiesta talaga si Ortiz dito pag si Rhea ang setter. Alright, another timeout here. Alright, let's look at this, Ivy. Tong approach na to. Medyo nag-fade to the left with the left hand. Di mo naman kailangan paluin. Tip it over.
Exactly.
And good things may happen. Ayun, eksakto nangyari kay Maiko Ortiz.
And actually, Isa Maizo has been setting up those low sets, low plays kaya Ortiz. So parang may katulong din si Rhea Di Maculangan with the setting duties.
Isa Maizo is an excellent setter.
Yes.
Another one of those fakes from Rhea Di Maculangan. And you gotta love it.
No blocker from the Lady Falcons.
Yun ang masarap doon. Walang blocker.
It's as if hindi mabasa ng Adamson ang offense nitong UST.
Good serve. Shakey's. If it's fun, family pizza, it has got to be Shakey's. Oh, nice defense by Rhea. Ganda ng set ni Isa Maizo. Parang setter din pumitik, no?
That's right. It's a free ball now being given by the Lady Falcons. They go to Lastimosa. Hits it down the line.
Adamson having a lot of difficulties, a lot of troubles in their defense. Yan pa naman yung strength ng Adamson.
Yes.
So,
like I said, this is very uncharacteristic of the Lady Falcons. This is not the usual way that they really move or cover the court. Carmela Tunay with the good serve.
Good. Ooh!
Isa Maizo. Again, you cannot just have one person blocking up against the tall player like Isa.
Lumayo ng UST. They're up by 8 points. Another timeout. Let's listen in. Alright, that's the final timeout of Coach Sherwin. On Tuesday at 1 p.m., panoorin niyo po, it is the Ateneo Lady Eagles going up against the NU Lady Bulldogs here at GMA News TV. That is again on Tuesday, 1 p.m. Ganda ng serve. Ooh!
And Zapanta off the block.
Very good hit from Zapanta. Very quiet so far in this match. And she's gonna get a lot more quieter.
Quieter time.
Dahil inilabas pa siya. Pineda naman ang ipinalit. So okay lang din yun. Sheila Pineda will be serving.
Serve is good. A good combination play, but there was a net violation error.
Net touch.
Very obvious.
Again, that double quick play so deadly for UST. But that net touch just gave that point away. And Adamson, kailangan makahabol. 16, serving 12.
And Isa Maizo making up for that net violation error. again, you can see the beauty
23.
of
Serving
having...
16.
That's right. And you can see, like I said, you can see the beauty of having a very efficient setter. Nababasag talaga yung blocker. O yung blocking ng kabilang team.
Rhea to Lastimosa. Angela. That's how it's done, says Angela.
They would be needing a lot more of that.
Tingin ko kay Angela, yung wrist action yung nagdadala ng palo talaga.
Oh, good block from Benting.
Coverage working right now for UST.
Oh, another good block from Guevara.
I spoke too soon. Guevara very busy over at the net, and it has really paid off. Ang dami ng block ni Guevara, no? Itong match na to. She's really done a good job in defense, especially in that department, no? Yung blocking department.
Ball is still alive. It is a free ball. Let's see what UST does with this one. They go to Maizo.
Nice save from Eminas.
And you would expect, of course, while everybody is still scrambling to get to their position, quick attack ang i-execute ng UST.
Again, the smartness of Dimakulangan coming into play. Tama ka, nagkakaposisyonan pa sa depensa. Wala pa sila sa kanilang kanya-kanyang position. Set point for UST, 24-18. Lantin, first time to play in this match. She will be serving. Nako.
Straight into the net.
Malamig na malamig ang pasok ni Lantin. That serve straight into the net. They only need a point. Guevara needs to serve it out if they want to tie UST at 24.
Service good.
Poor set there from Lantin. De Leon. Hindi inabutan yung bola. Oh, Pieces brought in to serve. So,
pressure ito,
Oo. Because Guevara had her first serve in, no? Parang sabi ni Coach Sherwin, teka, mas maganda ata kung si Pisa ang pagsiserve natin. Let's see if this ploy works for Adamson.
And it does.
Nice serve, kaya pala naman.
Excellent serve.
Caballero, again, first time on the floor. Outside for foul. And it just means UST needs one more set to close Adamson out here in the quarterfinals. Tingnan natin ating shaky play, Ivy.
There was a good serve from Pisa. Isa Maizo, that cross-court hit.
Sending it home. UST has won the first two sets. We'll be right back for the third after this very, very short break.